Hello everyone. I have a question for you guys. So what I'm doing is I'm adjusting the chain. So what I did is I adjusted the sprocket around until the sprocket with the different keyways here. I adjusted the chain until the timing was pretty equal to the exhaust peak on the flywheel. So this is what I did. I want to know what you guys' opinion is. So down here, this is a very highly accurate wheel here. So I taped the wheel on the front of it on the crank pulley, and that mark there is the EP. So when this pointer here is at the EP, that's the degree that it lines up with right there. So currently, right now, I rotate it all around, and when I'm at the exhaust peak, which is at 0 up here, we're at the exhaust peak. The timing is now set about, we'll say, about 6 to 7 degrees advanced. Do you think that's okay to leave it to chain like that? Because the advance would actually help it, the diesel, this is also a diesel, to help it run a little better or get a little bit more advanced in the timing. What do you guys think? Let me hear in the comments below, because you guys know more than I do. Let me know. Thank you.